channel. I hope you all are doing good. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ पॉन्ड्स बीबी क्रीम से किया हुआ ये मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल। ये मैंने बहुत ही कम टाइम में किया है और ये कोई भी कर सकता है and this can be an everyday look too. So I have come up with this makeup tutorial after a very long time. मैं सोच भी रही थी क्या करूँ, तो मैंने सोचा पॉन्ड्स बीबी क्रीम के साथ करते हैं क्योंकि बेबी क्रीम और भी पॉन्ड्स आजकल बहुत चल रहा है और मैंने अभी तक इसे यूज नहीं किया था, मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया था, तो मैंने सोचा आपके सामने मैं इसे पहली बार खोल के जरूर ट्राई करूंगी। एक मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल पॉन्ड्स बीबी क्रीम के साथ बनता ही है, इसीलिए मैंने सोचा इसके ऊपर एक वीडियो जरूर बनाना चाहिए। सो दिस इज द लुक आई हैव कम अप विद। इट्स नॉट अ वेरी fancy one, you can definitely do it. I've used very affordable products, so this look can be created in no time. So do watch this video and do comment below and let me know later whether you liked it or not. So before I head to today's video, please do not forget to subscribe. Please do subscribe and also do click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my video. So let's start today's makeup tutorial with Pond's BB Cream. So this is that Pond's BB Cream which I've got, and I've got in the shade Natural Cover. There was another shade which I saw which was like original, and I'm not sure how much this will suit me, but then I thought I'd pick this up. And BB cream is something which you can apply daily if you're not someone who likes to apply foundations and concealer and stuff. So BB cream is something you can definitely apply, and I think Pond's BB cream is doing really well in the market. That's the reason I picked up to do this makeup tutorial. And I've not even opened this. This is the first time I'm going to try. So I like the packaging. It's a cute sleek tube this is. So I've already prepped my skin. I've already moisturized. I've also applied a tiny bit of primer because makeup लगाते हुए primer miss नहीं करना चाहिए. वो एक बहुत ही important step है. So अब मैं लगाने वाली हूँ ये, और इसे मैं थोड़ा लेके, oh this is beautiful. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा लिया है. I don't think so इतना लेने की ज़रूरत है. तो इसे पूरे फेस में मैं डॉट करती हूँ. It blends very smoothly. Okay, what I want to say here is that it blends very smoothly, but it does leave a white cast. So आप ज़्यादा मत लीजिए. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं अभी भी बहुत बाकी है, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट लिया था, तो आप ज़्यादा मत लीजिए. एंड अगर आपने लिया है तो उसे अच्छे से ब्लेंड कीजिए. It's smooth and all, like it is mentioned that it is a very smooth formula, but it does leave a white cast. So blend it अच्छे से. Now to set this, I'm going to use this compact powder from L'Oreal Matte Magique All-in-One. This is also one of my favorite, and I've broken this. So इससे मैं अभी set करने वाली हूँ. And now I'm going to do my eyebrows, for which I'm going to use this ELF eyebrow kit. This is my favorite. As you can see, मैंने कितना use किया हुआ है. This is a very beautiful shade. It is available on Amazon. I'm not sure if it is available on Nykaa. I hope they do make it available because it's a very beautiful eyebrow kit. It gives a very natural look to the eyebrow. So अभी मैं इसे मेरे आईब्रो में जो भी गैप है उसे फिल करने वाली हूँ. और अब मैं लगाने वाली हूँ ये काजल फ्रॉम स्टे की. जब से मैंने इसे ट्राई किया, दिस इज बिकम माय फेवरेट. आई हैव आल्सो डन अ वीडियो ऑन इट. आप जरूर देखिएगा. ये बहुत ही अच्छा काजल है. यू कैन क्लिक हियर टू वॉच दैट. इट्स एक्चुअली अ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल काजल. तो अब मैं इसे अपने वाटर लाइन में लगाने वाली हूँ. आप देख सकते हैं ये बहुत ही एक पिगमेंटेड काजल है, एंड इट गिव्स अ रियली गुड कवरेज टू आईज. So I quite like it. If you haven't tried this, do try it. It's a very affordable one and it's really good. और अब मैं लगाने वाली हूँ ये eyeliner from L'Oreal Magique. ये भी मेरा एक बहुत ही favorite eyeliner है क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ही smooth look देता है. So here I'm done with the eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply mascara. And I'm using this mascara from Rimmel Scandalize Mascara. contour, and for contour I'm using this L'Oreal kit. I will mention all the names of the products in the description box, so please have a look at it. And for blush, I'm using this Makeup Revolution blush. And for highlighter, I'm using this Mary Luminous highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter. I always get back to this no matter how many other I use. And to finish off this look, I'm going to apply this lipstick from Sugar. This is in the shade 05 and it's called Rose Dawson. This is one of my favorite, beautiful shade, mix of pink and red. So it's so beautiful. So here is my complete look. I'll just put bindi, do my hair and come back. So guys, all I have done is I've only applied bindi and I just tied my hair very in a simple way. So this is my complete look and I really enjoyed doing makeup tutorial after very long. I think Pond's BB cream is really good. It's affordable. The only thing is it leaves white cast, so don't take too much. Take very little and then you can build it up later. I think it's really good and it's really good for daily use. So if you're someone who's going to work or some other thing and you want to apply something but you don't want something very heavy, you can go for this because this is actually quite good. So I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial of mine after a very long time. I hope you did. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Before you go, please do not forget to subscribe and do click on the notification button so that you get notified every time I publish my video. I'm going to be back with more videos. Till then, bye.